Did you know that you can turn on the dark mode for YouTube in Google Chrome? This comes as a surprise to you. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this within Google Chrome. Now guys, I'm going to show you something real quick. Now I'm on my computer screen right here, right? And as you can see, my Chrome browser is in normal bluish color, right? Now if you click on this A right here and you go to this little pencil tool here, if you go to edit, you will easily see that you can change the color of Chrome, right? These are some really nice way how you can change the Chrome, right? And I just do this to show you something real quick. And if I open another tab, you can see that my Chrome is in dark mode. However, if I go to YouTube, this is not so. You can still see that YouTube is in the normal white mode, right? Now to easily do this, what you want to do, and I'm gonna just simply go back here and put back my Chrome into this nice little blue color, something like that. Now to put YouTube in dark mode, what you want to do is simply click these three icons here, these three little dots right here, right? And under extension, you want to visit the Chrome web store, right? And you simply type dark mode YouTube, simply that. Now once you put in that, you will see a lot of options appear here that you can easily put in dark mode in Chrome. This is dark mode in Chrome, and this is also dark mode in YouTube, etc. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose this option here, and I'm going to simply click add to Chrome. Now once I add this extension, guys, you can see that over 8 million people is actually using this. Over 8 million users, right? And over 2,400 ratings. Now have a look at this. I'm back in YouTube and I'm gonna refresh, and you're gonna see that YouTube now is now in the dark mode. Now guys, if you find some value within this video, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, let me know in the comments below, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.